Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share Japanese local food in Hokkaido. Squid and rice, ika meshi. The rice is stuffed in the squid and simmered in the rich sauce. I'm so happy to share Japanese local food with you and hope you enjoy Japanese taste at your home. Yes, let's make it. First, I'll prepare the rice. Today I use two types of Japanese rice, 40 grams each. This is glutinous rice, Mochi gome, and the other rice is non-glutinous rice, Uruchi mai. Both gome and mai means rice. Mochi gome is thicker than Uruchi mai. If it's cooled down, the texture of the rice is soft and moisture. And the texture of Uruchi mai is lighter and easy to bite. Let's rinse the rice in the water. Rub the rice grains gently and discard the water. Repeat this work several times until the water becomes transparent. Soak the rice in the water for at least 2 hours to absorb the water well. We should soak mochi gome for a longer time than uruchi mai. It's okay to prepare the rice the day before making it and soak the rice in the water overnight. Today I bought 2 types of squid. Large squid is Japanese flying squid, surumeika, and smaller one is spear squid, yarika. Both are popular squid in Japan. The preparation is so simple. Insert my fingers between innards and the squid pan, like this. My thumb is here. Okay, then pull the head. Good. Then remove the squid ink carefully, not to break. Okay, and get rid of a squid pen. Nice. I do the same for spear squid. Then cut off the innards. Also, I don't use it. Japanese people like the flavor of the liver of surumeika. Trim the head off. Then open the arms. The tips of the tentacles are firm, so cut them off. Rub the suckers with a knife to remove them. They are firm and unpleasant texture. Then cut the arms into small pieces. After that, I'll mix the squid arms with the rice. Good. Then wash the squid with the water. Remove the inside. Okay, wash the spear squid as well. Wipe out the water carefully. It's okay to take off the skin. Good. The squid is ready. 2 hours later, drain the rice in a sieve. Transfer the rice to the bowl. And add the squid arms too. Mix them. Okay, the rice is prepared. Let's stuff the rice into the squid. Put the rice. The most important thing is to leave 20 to 30% vacant space. If the squid is cooked, it shrinks, and the volume of the rice will increase after cooking. We should stuff the rice about 70% of the squid. This is important. And close the mouth with a bamboo skewer. Okay. It's difficult to stuff the rice into the small squid, but we eat the piece of stuffed squid with one bite easily. Nice, I prepared the stuffed squid. Next is the seasonings for the sauce. This is a recipe. Firstly, add the sake and mirin to the pot. Turn on the heat and heat for a few minutes to remove the alcohol. Then sugar, water, soy sauce, and tamari shoyu. Tamari shoyu gives richness and depth to the sauce. The color of tamari shoyu is darker than normal soy sauce. I explained about Japanese soy sauce in the video. If you like, please check it. Slowly to dissolve the sugar. Then add a piece of kombu. And slice ginger. If you like ginger flavor, please add more. Once the sauce boils, add the stuffed squid. Simmer them for 30 minutes over low heat with a lid. Please let me talk about the history of ikameshi. Ikameshi was created in Hokkaido, Hakodate region during the war. In those days, the lack of the rice was a serious problem. In this situation, ikameshi was created to save the rice. We don't need to prepare much rice for ikameshi. Moreover, ikameshi let us feel full. And many squids were caught in Hakodate region. Therefore, ikameshi was created by the knowledge of people, location, and the situation. I hope you enjoy a local food ikameshi with history. Thank you for listening. 30 minutes later, turn them over. Turn off the heat. If you don't eat it right now, you can preserve it for 2 to 3 days in the fridge. I'll share a good way to reheat ikameshi. Transfer it to the pan and about 150 grams of the sauce. Then turn on the heat. Warm up ikameshi and reduce the sauce. The sauce gradually becomes thicker. The look is shiny and delicious. Turn off the heat. Beautiful. Remove the bamboo skewer and cut it into bite-sized slices. Okay? Good. Let's arrange it on the plate. This green plate is olive. Perfect. Sliced ginger is also delicious. Okay, ikameshi is done. Let's eat it. いただきます. The rich taste of squid goes well with the rice. The texture of the rice is chewy and moisture. It is very delicious. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Did I introduce a Japanese local food in Hokkaido? Ikameshi. And there are many delicious and historical local foods in Japan. I will share it with you in the future. And I'd like to know your favorite local foods in your country or other country. Please share it on the comment. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.